Hey friends, today's my topic is what is a polymorphism? Polymorphism means one interface having many functions. Let's see example of polymorphism. In this polymorphism, create two same methods and call in the main method. Create a add method two times with different parameters and call the parameters in the main function. Here, one original form or original method always reside in base class and multiple forms represent overridden method which reside in derived classes. Then we will see what is a polymorphism divided. Divided it means what is a poly and morphy. Poly means many and morphy means faces, behaviors and many forms. Polymorphism means many forms take in the one class. Polymorphism in object-oriented programming, it expresses as one interface multiple functions. Please share, like and subscribe my channel for more updated videos. Thank you.